Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial demonstrating how you can move boards to breakout rooms in Pencil spaces. So today I'm preparing my lesson ahead of time, and I'm going to be sending my students to breakout rooms to practice some homework questions. So if I open my boards here, you can see that I've already prepared 2 boards for my students to practice questions. So I'm now going to go to Manage Rooms. So as you can see, I currently have 2 breakout rooms available for my students. I'm going to drag and drop the students into the room I would like them to be in. So the same will apply for boards. You just drag and drop the board that you want in the breakout room to the room you want it to be in. It's important to note that if there is only one board currently in a room, you cannot move that board to a separate room as you are leaving the space without a board. So I'm going to drag the question 1 board to group 1 and the question 2 board to group 2. Once I'm happy with my boards, I can select apply to apply the changes. I'm currently moving myself to group 1. Now I'm currently in the breakout room for group 1. I'm going to go to my boards, and as you can see, I can find my question 1 board here. Follow the same process to move the boards back to the main room at any time. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with everything new at Pencil Spaces.